Mr. Murdaugh, I sentence you to the State Department of Corrections on each of the murder indictments in the murder of your wife, Maggie Murdaugh. I sentence you for the term of the rest of your natural life for the murder of Paul Murdaugh, whom you probably loved so much. I sentence you to prison for murdering him for the rest of your natural life. Those sentences will run consecutive.
Alex Murdaugh sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Prosecutors previously saying they would spare Murdaugh the death penalty.
Judge, I tell you again, I respect this court, but I'm innocent. I would never, under any circumstances, hurt my wife, Maggie, and I would never, under any circumstances, hurt my son, Paul.
On Thursday, Murdaugh was found guilty of murdering his wife, Maggie, and son, Paul, in June of 2021 on the family's sprawling property.
Verdict, guilty. Signed by the foreperson of the jury.
Throughout the trial, the lead prosecutor detailed Murdaugh's financial troubles and what he himself described as unbearable pressures. During the nearly 6-week trial, Murdaugh admitting on the stand he lied to investigators about where he was on the night Maggie and Paul were killed, blaming the lies on drug-fueled paranoia.
I did lie to them. My addiction evolved over time. I would get in these situations or circumstances where I would get paranoid thinking. And it could be anything that triggered it. It might be a look somebody gave me. It might be a reaction somebody had to something I did.
Murdaugh also acknowledged it's his voice in the background of a video Paul took at the family's dog kennels moments before him and his mother died there, a moment many believe was the nail in the coffin. The defense argued Murdaugh was a loving father and that the authorities did not properly look at other suspects, relying mostly on circumstantial evidence.
Oh, what tangle web we weave. What did you mean by that?
It meant when I lied, I continued to lie.
And the question is, when will it end? When will it end?
It took jurors just 3 hours to deliberate Thursday night. One juror telling Good Morning America Murdaugh showed no remorse or compassion.
I didn't see any true remorse or any compassion or anything.
Even though he cried a lot on the stand.
He never cried.
He never cried. What do you mean by that?
All he did was blow snot.
Did you not see tears?
No tears.
How did you know he wasn't crying?
Because I saw his eyes.
Murdaugh has yet to go to trial for 99 separate charges stemming from a horde of alleged financial crimes, including defrauding his clients, former law firm, and the government of more than $9 million.